Wednesday, Lesson 2, Maths, 13th of January 2021. To start off with today, let's practice our 3 times table. You can say it out loud and record yourself and maybe email it back to me. In your books or on some paper, please write Maths, the date and the LO in your exercise book. Pause the video while you write it down. Our first question is a thinking question. You do not have to write anything down. The bones are shared equally between the dogs. So how many bones will each dog get? Let's look at the image. We can see 3 dogs and I can see 6 bones. So that's 6 bones shared by 3 dogs. Pause the video while you have a think. So here's the answer to the question. There were 6 bones, there were 3 dogs, and we shared them out. And we can see that they've been grouped into groups of 2 bones. So 6 ones shared by 3 is 2 ones. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So each dog will get 2 bones. Another thinking question. It's the same image, but this time we're looking at the dog treats. The dog treats are shared equally between the dogs. How many dog treats will each dog get? So once again, we've got 3 dogs. 60 treats shared by 3 dogs. Pause the video while you have a think about it. So there were 60 dog treats, and I've put these into groups of 10. And I can see that 6 tens shared by 3 is 2 tens in each group. 60 divided by 3 equals 20. Each dog will get 20 treats. So now have a go at this one in your exercise books. Pause the video while you have a go and then click for the answer. These bones are shared between 4 dogs. There are 12 bones. That's 12 ones divided by 4 equals how many ones? 12 divided by 4 equals how many? Each dog receives how many bones? Pause the video. So in your book, you should have the answer 12 ones divided by 4 equals 3 ones. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Each dog receives 3 bones. So now another one to do in your exercise book. We've got 120 dog treats that are shared between 4 dogs. Pause the video while you have a go at this question, looking at how many tens we have. 12 tens is equal to 120. So I've put them into groups of 10. I'm sharing out the tens between 4 dogs. How many tens will each dog get? That's 120 shared by 4 dogs is equal to how many? How many treats will each dog get? Pause the video and we'll look at the answer. So each dog will get 30 treats. 12 tens shared by 4 is 3 tens. 120 shared by 4 is 30. That's 30 dog treats. If we look at this slide, we can see that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 120 divided by 4 equals 30. Can we relate those answers? We can see that 30 is 10 times bigger than 3 because 120 is 10 times bigger than 12. Now it's time for your independent tasks. Pause each slide, work out the answer before moving on to the next question. Try to show you're working out for each question. Question 1. Share the cherries between the plates. That's 9 cherries shared by 3 plates. 9 divided by 3 equals, there are how many cherries on each plate? Pause the video. One B. There are now 90 cherries shared by 3 plates. 90 divided by 3 is equal to how many? This time, try to group the cherries in groups of 10 and put them onto each plate. Pause the video while you have a go. Question 2. We can see here for 2A, there are single 1 cubes. 16 divided by 2 equals how many? For part B, the cubes are now in rods of 10. And there are 16 rods of 10, which equals 160. 160 divided by 2 equals how many? Try to relate your answers from A to B. Pause the video while you have a go. Well done for today. Please check your answers before you submit your work at the end of the day. Ask an adult to take a clear photo and email it to me. Once I've received your work, I will mark it and I will send you some dojos. You can pause the video here if you'd like to do an extension activity, which is optional.